It was Sunday morning, and our water heater failed. There was water everywhere. I called Cavalier Plumbing, and honestly, I was blown away. They were at my door within the hour and had it fixed the same day. And the price was more than fair. These are good people. I recommend them to everyone I know in the valley. So, give Cavalier a call when you have a plumbing problem. Cavalier Plumbing, 801-815-0474.